place off the rest of the guys.
And the piano at Oakbrook is up against the wall, on my back this year, trying to get which I would like. If I would see you, you guys exist, so you can't make me nervous. But that sound is bouncing off the wall and it's really like,
Going back into your face.
yeah, it's so loud. Good morning.
All right, you ready to roll? Streaming already?
How are ya? I'm fine. What?
I was gonna see which part you prefer to take off to see that we can,
Get a little lonely up there, it's really like a little date. I thought, you look like, what you call them, somebody from India. That was pretty. I was hot. Yeah, it's all flowery and all. Oh, yeah.
Figure and relaxing.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, this is good. Got a question, when you have a chance to clear your mind?
Go for it.
Okay. Regarding the dirt,
Oh, it's gonna show it's gonna throw off the focus if the communion focus is right.
Well, I was just curious.
Okay. It says it was pushed forward to get it out of the spring.
this part right here was not something that we did last week in spring, that she might have put it in there by mistake. But that's usually a kind of like play, so I just want to know if that's something
Yeah,
we're
I'm
going to
gonna,
do or
I'm
not.
gonna ask you to medically compare the parties.
Thank you.
Yeah, I don't think it's
So are you doing worship today? I thought,
I am. Joel. Yeah. Good morning. How you doing? I'm fine. Thank you. How are you? Doing well. For the children's sermons that I introduced, do you want me to tell the kids to stay put, or do you want them to come up?
I'm fine either way. I'm fine either way.
Well, I think the Llewellyn.
Okay.
so I don't know, do we want him to give my cell phone number if there's audio problems, they can text?
Yeah, that's fine.
Joel, if you start live streaming, let us know, we'll stop
It's
that.
already going.
That's okay. It's not on. It's only if we start having audio problems.
I'm gonna point
He
it
can
out.
move over here.
Oh, really?
Yeah, if we have audio problems again, then we'll come up here with a laptop and plug in, and then we'll have to move it closer to. Yeah. Hey, Bill, you don't mind cell phone number to announce that they have problems with audio to text me?
Sure.
You don't have to say it's fine, you can just get it out. Say 822-0522.
Text that number.
If there's audio problems with the line free.
If they try to text me and mine is the camera, so it can't respond.
Right.
Not call the church, that's really stuff. Are you? I don't know.
I'm gonna have a list of boards. This is the door for everybody.
It says you are here. Happy Father's Day, Daniel.
Thank you. Pardon?
It's wild when you tell us it's all sorry.
Go by Alma?
I saw our play this morning over at Oak Brook, and now I'm over there.
Oh. Nope.
Good morning.
So will these pick me up singing?
Yes.
Then I'm going to pretend I'm singing.
Did you play at the other churches tonight? And you're here already. They meet at 9:30. And I didn't stick around for the sermon. I just kind of, well, okay. They really do things differently.